Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker here with RJO Futures on Election Day, Tuesday, November 6th. Make sure you get out and vote. Bringing you some commentary here in the energy market. So what do we got going on here today? Well, we got a little bit of a firmer tone here. D's crude up right now. We're trading up about 50 cents, just over $86 a barrel. And, I got to tell you here, take a look at yesterday's price action here. Real nice uptrend there after the big sell-off that we saw last week. Crude finding a fair amount of support, nice rally. Check out my post yesterday. And we're getting some follow through with that here today. We've been as high today as 86.80. So we'll kind of watch and see how things develop here the rest of the day. We've got Brent also firmer. That's up over $1. We're around 108.77, so much firmer tone there. And nat gas also firmer, around 357.90. It's up about 2.5 cents. Complex doing well also. The big mover there is the RBOB here. We're up almost 4 cents in that market. We're trading around 265.80 range. So certainly seeing a much firmer tone there. And the heat's up as well here, up a little over a penny at around 299.5 roughly. So, what do we got going on here today? Well, I think if you take a look at, as we talked on Friday was, big risk-off type day. Monday, things seemed to settle down a little bit, and we're, I think, a touch quieter ahead of elections. But all in all, we saw some consolidating. And actually, crude saw a pretty nice run yesterday. You look at the technical indicators, I think we're still short-term on the overbought. I think the bulls are taking control back of the market here. Bargain hunters are coming in. I think we've got real nice bottoming action here on that December crude contract. Fibonacci retracement levels suggest a move up to around the $89.50 to $90 area. It's kind of the area I think that traders should be targeting. We've got look at equities here today. They seem to be firmer on a global scale. Syria, some violence that took place there yesterday, so I think helping add a little bit of a firmer tone there. Dollar weaker here today, so it'll be interesting to see how that continues. And of course, we're going to have API numbers coming out here later today, late this afternoon, followed up with DOE numbers there tomorrow. So, I think right now, traders, be cautious on the long side of the market, in my opinion here, because if things do start to turn here, as I've mentioned, we start to take out those lows. There is some room for that market for further downside action, but I still like the upside action. Again, I'm targeting that $89.50 to $90 area. If you want to talk about some risk management strategies here, give me a call. It's obviously, I think, one of the most important aspects of being a successful trader is proper risk management techniques and strategies. So give me a call. We can talk about how to manage the risk in your trades. You can reach me at the number on the screen, shoot me an email, and of course remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk and it may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.